Hello, in our previous video we have implemented a method which can check if a given double linked list is empty or not. In this video we'll continue with implementing a method which can add a node to the head of our double linked list. So far we have implemented a method to check if the list is empty or not. Now we'll implement a method to add a node to the head of doubly linked list. Okay, while adding a node to the head of a double linked list, basically there are two steps. The first step is we'll create a node, then we'll attach that node to the list. So the attaching a node to the list at its own steps, like it depends if the list is empty or not. If the list is empty, we'll just update both the tail and the head to this new node. Then this new node become both the tail and the head of our list. Otherwise, if the list is not empty, attaching the node to the list is like setting the next of the new node to the address of the current head, then setting the previous of the current head to the address of this new node. Then we'll update the head with the new node. Okay, now let's do that. Let's start with creating our node. Okay, now we created our node. Let's check if our list is empty. If it's not empty, then we'll set the next of our newly created node to this, to the address of the current head. Then the previous of the current head will be set to the address of the current node, the new node. Then this the current head will be updated by this new node. The current head will point to this new node. Okay, else if our list is empty, both the tail, the head and tail will point to this new node. Okay, this is it. Now let's test this from our test class. Let's add a new node. Let's adding a node with info 4 to the head or doubly linked list. Then let's add dots. Let's do this dot add to head. Then let's add 4 here. Let's compile that. So our list was empty, then we added 4 to the head of our list and our list became empty. It's pretty simple, right? Now it's working. In the next video we'll implement a method which can add a node to the tail of our double linked list. Until next video, have a good time.